Hey everyone, Tom here, and in this video we're going to look at a few common ways to maintain your snowblower over the course of the winter season. If you're having any issues with your snowblower, this list is a great starting point to help you get back in full operation. Spark plug. Symptoms of a bad spark plug may include rough idling, hard starts, and engine misfires. Remove the spark plug and check for damage or corrosion. Cleaning a dirty spark plug is easy, but if you see any signs of damage or dirt, you might simply want to replace it. You can also use a spark plug tester to check if the plug is in working order. Carburetor. If your snowblower's engine is running rough, it's most likely the symptom of a dirty carburetor. Remove the carburetor, then dismantle and clean it with carb cleaner. Replace any worn components and reinstall it into your engine. Bad fuel. If your snowblower is sputtering or running rough, it may be because of bad fuel. Flush the old fuel out of the system and replace it with fresh gas. Oil change. The best time to change your snowblower's oil is at the end of the season. Locate the drain plug and drain the old oil. Replace the plug once it's all drained and replenish with fresh oil. Don't forget to check your owner's manual to determine the proper amount of oil for your snowblower. Lubricate. Properly lubricating your snowblower's moving components will help it work trouble-free for years. Use a lubricant spray on your cables, chute, auger, and impeller. It'll help protect it from whatever winter throws at it. Skid shoes and skid plate. If your snowblower is throwing gravel or scraping your driveway up, it may be time to adjust or replace the skid shoes or skid plate. Inspect both and determine if they can be adjusted. If they can't be adjusted or if they're completely worn out, they will need to be replaced. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, we've got thousands more videos to help you repair your outdoor power equipment right here on our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions for us, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.